This video is sponsored by AppMaker. AppMaker is a WordPress plugin that converts WooCommerce website to mobile app. The mobile app builder helps you create native Android and iOS mobile application. Get an opportunity to grab 30% off by being the first 200 signups. Get the link in the description.
Hello and hi, welcome back to Educate WordPress, where we talk everything and all about WordPress. On my channel, in this video, we'll be talking about upsells, cross-sells, and related products. So here you can see this is a product in my WooCommerce website, and here are some related products to it. So if they don't like this product, they can go for this. So these products are automatically chosen by the theme. So these are already there in your theme or your WooCommerce website, WooCommerce, and these are decided by the factors like tag, categories, etc. Right? So you might want to add these tags and categories to recommended by the WooCommerce. So we're going to also see how you can add custom related products as well. For that, we're going to go to our product and first learn about the upsell and cross sell. So you might have seen when you edit the products, there are some settings like linked products right here. So this is upsells and this is cross sell. Okay, so basically upsells are the product which you recommend instead of the currently viewed products. Example, like just like we saw, those related products are some examples. So for this product, for this particular shoes, I'm going to recommend some other shoes. So I'm going to search for it and I'm going to add few shoes that people should check out. So this can be up to 3. So it's completely your choice, right? So if I just update this and you just view this product, here you will be able to see a new section that's called you may also like. So these are the products that I'm recommending personally, and these are the related products like similar products to this. Okay, so that's one thing. So next we have the cross sell. When we go to the linked products, here you will be able to see cross sells. So these are the products that comes after the checkout. So this like when you are in the cart, you promote this product. Okay, so this is a shoe, right? So they might want to have want a t-shirt and a jeans along with this, right? So I'm going to look for a shirt, and here I have a t-shirt. Then I'm going to add a jacket and maybe a jeans. Okay, so I have added these many products. So this will be the cross sell. So I'm going to save this and show you how this will show in your website. So I have this product. I've just added this product in my cart. I'm clicking on cart, and when I just view the cart, here you will be able to see this product which says you may be interested in. So these are the product that I might be interested in since I bought this shoe. So this is also important when you have like when you can promote your products. So this is some extra bucks for you. So these are the really cross sells and upsells. What about the related products? So related products are completely designed like chosen by your team. So we can add a plugin or use a plugin to add related products. So for that we're going to add a plugin. I'm going to clicking on plugins and click on add new. So we can add custom related products. So I'm going to search for related products and search it. And we have this plugin, the related products for WooCommerce plugin. I'm just going to install this plugin right now. And this plugin you can use, and this will add the custom. You can add custom related products. So once installed, you can just click on to activate, and we'll go to the settings. In the WooCommerce section, you'll be able to see a related products option right here. So for that, this is the settings that you will be taken into. So first of all, you need to disable all the like related product section in your website that is recommended by the WooCommerce. So WooCommerce default product should be disabled for each the thing. So that's done. So when you just save it, all the related products in your website will be gone. So the related product section is now gone. So here you can also see products. You can add related products by each. Like you can customly add like category or by tag or anything, and also order, like in the order of the product that should be displayed, in which order that you can add. So last modified would be a great option, and you're going to choose how many products to add, like 5, 6 or 7, anything. And also you can add a slider to slide it over there. Okay, so that's done. That's the settings part. I'm just going to save it. So when we go to our website, I'm just going to click on to refresh, and you'll be able to see all the related products are now shown according to the category, and there is also a slider that's available. So this is the one way that you can add related products by custom. Then if you want to, if you just edit the product right here, you will be able to go to the linked products right here. Here you will be able to see the related, you can customly add the related category. For this product there is, I think I'll add shoes, and you can add related products like assigned for this particular product, or similarly anything. So you can add tags, you can add categories, or you can add products directly. So if I just click for shoe, there'll be, I'll add few more shoes. So only these products will be available when I just click on to this. Okay, so I'm going to add few products. Okay, so if you want to exclude any category for in this particularly, that you can also add. And if I just update this, I have given three related products. I can just view the product. You will be able to see the related products is there. The products which I have added in this in that section is now available. So that's about it. So there is upsell, there is cross sell in the cart section, and then there is a related products. So you can either choose the WooCommerce to do that related products. Otherwise, you can add customly using a plugin. So that's very easy to add the related products and choose upsells and cross sells. And that's all about today's video. We'll see another video. If you like this video, give a big thumbs up, and bye.